Hi, I'm Lena again. If you were watching my last video with the model home called Leander, this one is also from Highlands Builder. This is called the Fordham model. This is a 2761 square footage. It has 4 bedroom and 4 bath. The base price is $652,000 around there with a 50-foot lot. Last time we saw the 60 and 70s foot wide. This is a little bit smaller version of the home. The characters and the interior design, the outside of the home is as beautiful as the last one. Let's tour with me on this house, the same community, Parkside on the river with Highland Home. Let me go ahead and tour you to this 2-story model home. Let's come with me. Remember the tax rate for Leander in Georgetown? I also noted before it's about 2.5 to 2.6% before the homestead discount. HOA around here is between $70 to $80 per month. It has a lot of good amenities. This floor plan called Fordham, it has a patio up front here, as you can see. All the bricks were built. Of course, this is a model home, so they did make really nice landscaping. When you enter the house, you can see this 8-foot door, very high soaring ceilings. You can always add your upgrades to add more molding to the walls, just like the model home does. Let's go inside. This one has a 2-car garage. This area is an office area. It should be like a garage in the future. On the right side, there is a full bath and a full guest bedroom in here with a full bath next to it. Here is this with the standing shower. On the left side of the home, there is an office and the mud area. This is the mud area where you can put your handbags, your your jacket, or your shoes. And follow on the right side is a laundry room. You can see there is built-in cabinets. You can actually upgrade this at the design center. If you like to hand wash your clothes, you can upgrade a sink right here and then put in cabinets to put your stuff as storage in there to make it look nicer and neater. In the laundry room, here is the office on the first floor. If you're working from home, this is a perfect spot for an office. It has a double door. You can see through the glass doors. If you are seeing someone coming to the house, you can see them through there, or your kids playing outside. Entering the family room and the dining room, they are connected. As you can see, Highlands has really nice design, especially with flowers and color, cool tone color decoration altogether. Of course, you can choose different color that match with your life. This particular model homes has been designed and decorated really nicely altogether. You can see that the ceiling is maybe like in the 20 feet high. You can see the chandelier, the lights, modern with a lot of windows. Those windows up there, you don't even need to put curtains because it's private up there. Nobody looking through the window to see you because it's up high. Then down here, it's also give you a lot of natural lights. This whole family room is connected to the dining room, similar to the last home that we toured, except for it's a bit different, especially the staircase here is less classic, it's more modernized design. This beautiful kitchen have this year's or last year's beige color. It's kind of interesting. There's 2 color cabinets. The one in the bottom here is in beige color. Up here, they do have white accent color to make the house look larger with the glass doors up there. You can see the light going through that with decoration. Just imagine the two color make the house look less busy. You still have a lot of storage. That is your combo oven and microwave. If you are building your own homes, you can select the type of ovens or microwave you want it to be. Some people like double ovens so that they can do baking and also cooking something along the side with it. Some people happy with just one and the microwave on top. This one have a walk-in pantry right in the corner here, and it's pretty decent. The size is decent because the home is 2,700 square feet, 2-story. So it's reasonable for that size of the pantry. Here is also the sliding door that you can go out to the patio. The patio is huge, and I will show it to you. It's even as big as the family room and the dining room combined together. This is the door to the patio. Let's go visit the master bedroom first before we go out to the patio. Maybe upstairs and then the patio last. This is a master bedroom. The ceiling is pretty high up there. As you can see, you know why we have a lot of nice, cool color decorated, because it's Highlands. So Highland Homes is more design, nice, some warm, and very close to the nature. Decoration, you can see a lot of Highland Homes that I go to. I see a lot of flowers and plants and trees. These colors are actually combined with that theme color really, really well. This is the master. Ceiling is very high. You have 3 tall windows there. Follow into the master bath. You do have one standing shower, glass door, frameless, a solo bathtub with a large window. I'm probably gonna tint this window something so that your neighbor won't see you. I love this double vanity, the big mirrors that they have. Design looks very luxury, like you are at a hotel, a luxury hotel basically in a different country or in a big city. I'm not sure about New York because a lot of New York hotel is not as modernized as this. It's more classic. But here's a private bath and then a large, huge walk-in closet. Let's come with me to the upstairs first, and we'll visit the outdoor living now. The outdoor living. Let's go upstairs. To get to the upstairs, you walk by your family room. There's also a nice marbles fireplace and bookshelves built in. So you have an option to build in the bookshelves as well. The cabinet, just like the way that they're showing. Let's go upstairs. I like this stair because it has a resting area right here in the middle. So you don't want to walk upstairs like straight up because you get so tired, and if you have younger kids, you're afraid they're gonna be falling from the stairs. Landing area right there helps a lot. If something falling, it will stop right there. It doesn't go all the way down to the first floor. From the upstairs, you can see the front entrance. Hello? Is dinner ready, Mom? Basically, you can hear everything from downstairs, especially when you're in the loft upstairs here. This home is a little bit smaller because of the square footage. The lot is a little bit narrower. If you were to build this home in a larger lot, let me know, because I should be able to talk to Highland that we can try to accommodate that as well. That is the bathroom, the shared bathroom for this bedroom. Beautiful, decorated. A girl room, my favorite color, my favorite insect, butterflies and dragonflies. That's my favorite too. Okay, here is the second bedroom. You know how they very close each other? This is good for family of 2. This can be for the boy. The other one could be decorated already for a girl because of the color. They both will be sharing this one full bath. Upstairs, there are a total of 2 bedrooms. Downstairs, there are 2 bedrooms. So it's 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Now let's follow me to check out this beautiful, beautiful patio. I mean, to actually sleep out there or live out there, because it's big enough that you can do a lot of things out there, except for in the winter time when it gets too cold. But it gets too hot in the summer. There's a fan right there. But let's get out to this patio. Wow, wow, that is huge. Look at that. Ceiling for the patio is very high. And there's a fence also installed there. And this home has 4 side bricks. And as you can see, you can actually use this area for entertainment, outdoor entertainment. You can put a TV out here, and this is the way it has right here. You can put your TV right here, watch sport channels, music channel, and then sit here eating dinner or relaxing on this outdoor couches and with the view of private backyard. I mean, this lot is 50, but it's pretty big. I mean, like the house is 2,700 and you still have a huge backyard out here, even though the patio is almost half of the house on the first floor. Okay, this is huge. So this is perfect for outdoor living lifestyles in Texas, because the weather is so nice and you got a lot of sun here, and you enjoy your outdoor as many days as you want to in Austin, Texas, right? I would like to end my videos for this tour right now. If you guys have any questions about Highland Homes or any other builders at Parkside on the river, feel free to contact me. If you'd like to build this particular home on a lot, feel free to also let me know. I have a really close relationship with Highland Homes, so we'll get the best deal out of it for you. Contact me if you have any questions. We'll hope to see you in the next video. Bye now. If you are first coming to my channel, please go ahead and help subscribe to my channel to see the latest videos on different communities and different home builders on new constructions. Thank you.